Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are liking my videos, and this is the fourth one in my video series. So today we will talk about sales and some of its techniques. Before going forward, I must recommend you or request you to subscribe my channel and like my videos if you like some info from it. So today we'll talk about sales and some of its techniques. All of you know that uh, what is important of sales and what sales is in any business. And sales strategy refers to a set of tactics and techniques that companies use to sell their products or services to customers. It typically involves a combination of different approaches, including marketing, prospecting, lead generation, and closing deals. So now today we will be discussing about what is better, what suits you when you are in retail or wholesale or manufacturing business, vertical or horizontal, vertical sales or expansion, horizontal sales or expansion. Where you need to spend either vertical or horizontal, what helps you in achieving your financial target. So for this, first we understand what is vertical and horizontal sales and expansion. Vertical sales or for expansion may terms as vertical integration refers to process where companies sells product or services to customers within a specific industry or market segment or in a specific niche market. For example, a healthcare manufacturing company use vertical selling strategy to healthcare organizations or hospital rather than targeting broader audience by focusing on their existing and future demands and cities expansion plans to address their pinpoint agendas for targeting more revenue, and they will do all of their vertical expansion by enhancing their capabilities to meet their demands, their future demands. Horizontal sales and horizontal expansion refers to the process of selling products to different customers and industries. It refers to a sales approach for broader range of customers and for larger market share. For example, a retail grocery store selling store may get target or sales a number of items under their shop umbrella. For example, they might be selling dry milk, heavy food items, and food items at one shop to reach broader customer range and demand. They also may use horizontal expansion strategy to add more items under one roof to attention more customers and to develop an approach among clients that they will get any item on subject shop under same roof. So $1 million question, which is better? Both horizontal and vertical expansion strategies can be effective in achieving different objectives and addressing different challenges as it depends on a company's specific circumstances, goals and resources. Let's take an example of a wholesale supplier of baby food items in the market. Let's say he is doing revenue 1 million USD in 12 months and have a financial target of reaching 2 million USD in 2 years or more. So what will be best for him, horizontal or vertical? Well, in this case, vertical expansion will be suitable for them if they tend to make their company a 100 million USD club member in baby food niche, but obviously it will require huge cost to expand in backward vertical integration by investing in a baby food manufacturing company. The wholesaler would be able to reduce costs associated with purchasing products from other manufacturers, ensure consistent quality of their products, and by forward vertical integration by acquiring or investing in a distribution company. By doing so, they would have greater control over the distribution of their products, ensuring that they reach their intended destinations in a timely and efficient manner. But both vertical methods will require involvement of large capital expenditure depending upon the company's targets. As well, if company wants to make their food strong enough in wholesale business or needs to grow slowly with small portion of capital or investment, then they need to expand horizontally by diversify their product offerings and potentially reach new customer segments. For example, they could expand their product line to include other baby products such as diapers or toys, or they could expand their customer base to include new geographic regions or retail channels. So what will be the results and ROI? What will the rate of investment? Well, vertical expansion ROI may be slower as it investments may require time and funds to utilize gradually in core foundation of company, but acts as solace present in the subject niche and foundation. Vertical investment, if done with proper planning and market study, will eventually make the company like 100 million club in 5 to 10 years plan, while on the other hand, horizontal expansion requires less investment and time, as you can start adding other add-on for selling by white labeling them and make revenue stream in short time period. But as compared to vertical expansion, as your sales grows, you might be have different competitors, so you will need to add products constantly to grow your revenue base. That doesn't mean horizontal expansion is not suitable for most of businesses. Let's take example of simple grocery retail store, which is offering wide range of products, that is bakery, beverage, non-food, pharmacy produce, and flour, prepared and frozen food, etc. Now the best horizontal expansion will be add each item under one umbrella and one brand of retail store, and even expanding their geographic reach by opening new stores in new location. This could help the grocery retail store reach new customer and potentially increase their revenue. Their primary objective will be capture market share according to location in same city or country depending upon the targets and level of investment. So hope you people have not got bored into this video and have general idea of what is vertical and horizontal sales and vertical and horizontal expansion in in sales and revenue of business, because its cycle of product to wholesaler to retailer to end user, all the expansion and plans revolve around this cycle. And remember, expansion is necessary. Expanding your business is very necessary, whether it's vertical or horizontal, because if you are doing any business in a defined cycle of buying selling, there will be a time when new market emerges and competition will be high, so that you will eventually feel the pressure to sustain the market, because every passage of certain time period trends, needs and approach of client changes with respect to new options, convenience and their availability. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video if you have learned any fun from it. Remember, make profit by take decisions wisely. Thank you very much.